So we're here with Caleb from Print Kits. He's got some pretty awesome stuff here. He's going to tell you a little bit about this project.
Yeah, so we're a monthly subscription service where you can get a project in the mail every month. It's a mystery project. It's like Christmas every month. You don't know what you're going to get. And here are some examples of some of our projects that we've done recently. This air hockey table designed by Brian Vines is amazing. People love it. We have this heat press insert we did back in January, a really cool RGB DNA lamp. This is a keyboard emulator. It's Control-Alt-Delete right now. And that escalator was the most recent one we did. So what we do is we send you a box in the mail, and in that box you get a QR code that takes you to the instructions, a full video tutorial on how to build, all the components for the project, some sample filaments, a cool little tool like a UV flashlight, and a little snack like some York peppermint patties. It's great. I'm having a lot of fun with it.
Yeah. So for me, I've got a lot of 3D printers, and building 3D printers gets expensive, and you've got to use them for something eventually, right?
Yep.
So this is perfect, especially I have kids. One loves air hockey, so we're going to be building one of those.
Hell yeah. So speaking of the air hockey, check this out. This is a prototype nobody's seen yet of a big kit we're going to offer of giant air hockey. You can print it at home.
Nice.
It's a prototype. It's not done yet. The fans aren't strong enough. I got to get stronger fans.
The big 120 mil blower fans.
Yeah, we need some bigger ones for sure.
I've got 2 of them for auxiliary cooling in one of my printers.
Nice.
I bet you they'll work.
I'll need a couple of those for sure. For sure. Yeah. I mean, we love that question. Like, what am I going to print now? That's the question we love to hear.
Yeah, because a lot of times I sit idle because I've got nothing to do with them.
Yeah.
I build them and then it's like, what am I going to do with it now? So this is awesome.
Yeah, thank you.
And having something new every month and not having to go out and find it, source all the parts, which is half the time a pain because if you need one part and you got to order 30 of them from AliExpress.
Right. Exactly. That's really where the value of what we do comes in, because we actually have all the files for free online. Yeah. You can download them all. But we test them, we buy parts that we know work and fit, and we do a full video tutorial step by step. So if you've never used a microcontroller or whatever, we take you through it step by step.
Yeah, because I heard you talk to somebody else. You got a Raspberry Pi Pico running that.
Yep.
So set that up as your escape button? Or
yeah, so I've got it set up as Control-Alt-Delete. Any computer you plug this into, it'll think a keyboard sent Control-Alt-Delete when you hit it.
Nice. Right? But that's a past project. You're not going to get that. Because you can't go back and order past ones, right?
Nope. We are kind of on the down low. At the end of the year this year, we're thinking about bringing a couple back, just a few for subscribers that they can reorder if they missed one.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, because like that and the
DNA lamp?
Yeah,
that's cool. A lot of people like that one.
Well, thank you for sharing, and I look forward to checking out some of your kits in the future here.
Thanks, Dad's Garage.